So, hello everyone. This is a little bit about the lab that you're going to be doing in class, comparing the relationship between the volume of a gas and pressure. So, I've taken the vernier pressure sensor that we looked at in class the other day. I've connected it and I'm running graphical analysis right now. It's kind of hooked up already. You guys will kind of get that going just like we did the other day in class. If you're having trouble with the Bluetooth, you can use the little mini USB cable and just connect it directly to your Chromebook, which works perfectly fine just as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the syringe. I'm going to set the volume to about 10 milliliters. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect the syringe to the pressure sensor. Okay. My pressure should stay about the same. It's about 96 kPa right now. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the mode. I'm going to make it an event-based mode, and we're going to go events with entry. But rather than event, I want this to be volume with units of milliliters. The reason I want that, the sensor will not read volume for me, but I can see the volume on the syringe, and I can just type in what it is. So I can start collecting some data here. So my syringe right now is set to 10 milliliters. So I'm going to click keep, and I'm going to put in the starting volume, which is going to be 10 milliliters. Okay. From there, I'm just going to adjust the syringe, and then I'm going to keep collecting data points. So let's say I'm going to go down to 9 milliliters. I'm going to hit keep. I'm going to put in the new volume, which is now 9. Okay. We'll keep going down. 8. Okay. So I got a few of those there. I can also pull out on the syringe. This one, I just happen to pull all the way out to 15. Let's do another one at like 12. Okay. Try to do as many as you can. Be careful, you cannot compress too far, so you shouldn't do probably anything less than about 5 milliliters, so we don't overload the pressure sensor or anything like that. Okay. Once you're done, you can hit stop. You're going to have a nice little graph here. Yours hopefully will look similar to that. And down here in the bottom left, there's some analysis tools. Okay. One of the tools we can use is to apply what we call a curve fit. Okay. And there are some choices here, proportional, natural log, inverse squared, quadratic. Okay. What I want you guys to do, okay, you're going to compare linear and inverse. And you're probably going to say, well, something like natural exponent fits it better. It might. It's a much more complex equation, so we're not going to worry about that. So either linear or inverse. Mine looks kind of like it's inverse right now. And I can apply it, and you're going to get some numbers here that'll be convenient later on. Okay. So that's the basic setup for the lab. And we'll go from there.